Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss about why strings are immutable. Why strings are called immutable. So strings cannot be changed once created. Hence they are called immutable. So once a string is created, it cannot be changed. Let us see what does that mean in detail. So let us take a variable name and assign the string Python to this variable name. Okay. So what happens in memory, a string object is created that holds the value Python. Python is the string. A string object is created in memory that holds the value Python. And the variable name points to that object which is created in memory. So when we assign new value to the same variable, let's say we assign the value Java to the variable name, then what happens in memory? A new string object is created which holds the value Java and the variable name starts pointing to the new object which holds Java, because this is the variable name. Previously it was having value Python. It was pointing to this string object. Now the same variable has been assigned a new string, that is Java. So in memory, a new object, a string object is created in memory which holds the value Java, and the variable name, the same variable name starts pointing to the new string object in memory. But the old string object remains unchanged. Even though we have assigned a new value to this variable name, still the old object of string remains same. It remains unchanged. That is why strings are called immutable. Reassigning a variable creates a new string object. It does not modify the existing string. And if we try to modify the existing string, it gives error. So we learned in the previous video how to access the characters of the string by using index, and if we try to assign new value to those indexes, it will give error. Let us see in the Jupyter Notebook. Let us take a variable name. Let us assign the value Python to it. How do we access the zeroth index? Name, square bracket and 0. So this is the zeroth index, that is P. And if we try to assign new value, let us say J. Instead of P, I want to override it with another character, that is J. Let us see what happens. It gives an error because strings are immutable and we cannot modify the existing string. Let us understand this with the help of a simple analogy. Let us take an example of a box which has a label on it. So box has some content and box cannot be opened or changed. The content of the box cannot be opened or changed. And the variable is the label which is stuck on that box. Variable is the label on the box, and the value the string value is the content of the box. So when we assigned the value Java to the variable name, what exactly happened is we removed the label from the old box, which was having the value Python, to the new box, which was having the value Java. Only the label has been changed to the new box. The label has been removed from the old box and added to the new box. But the content of the old box still remains the same. Similarly, the original string object remains the same and the variable name starts pointing to the new value, that is Java. Hence, strings are called immutable. So, in the next video, we will be learning about string operations and important string methods.